Enze njani? Amele la engathi uthi
ngoba yayibona mayivela kanjani? Inveza ilight ithi. Mhlambe
wathi uyabo aflathele leya moto
ingcono kanjani.
Kodwa kumele nisinike ama-mask angiyifakile egcokeni kanjani ehholo.
Hayi. Ubuye nayo. Kodwa ngeke ngizingisana.
Hayi ngigomile khululeke ngigomile.
Asikho isikhwama.
Asikho isikhwama.
Lethi ngizothi bamkhiphele.
Asuza ngeke ukuvota.
Hayi ngeke.
Uzowenza njani? Akunayo i-mask.
Babaleke.
Mabemqosha mthayo ukungcono nimbhekele nomiduku bekwethu ayongena naye. Mawukuthi bayamqosha.
Ayithi ayazi indolo mntomnto. Ayithi ayazi indolo. Oh.
Wait, this way.
Yeah, no. The other way. Yes.
Bafuna abantu abazodideka njalo. Ungadideki. Anishuthe phela nazo.
Engathi bakuthanda ushutha abantu basembayo.
Bakhuphe imini yonke. Wathani ngisho. Yeah, akufana. Hayi ingcono kakhulu. Ibi-dark kakhulu eqaleni. Okay. All right, let me just sit this way.
Hayi bona no.
Sesoqala-ke. Cameraman wami. Okay. I hope I didn't see it. Welcome there to the Marisburg podcast.
Thank you very much and greetings to your listeners and of course your viewers.
Mayor, what is the succession process of councillors?
Remember, we are today ending the fourth term and approaching the beginning of the fifth term of the Democratic Government. Of course, different parties do have their own ways of choosing candidates, but the party that I come from have subjected its process to both party and community to elect or nominate our representatives. We are, as it is now, ready because we know that we have people that have at least been endorsed by the community as our candidates. Of course, as an organization, we have also subjected them to a performance agreement. This time around, people have signed a pledge that they are prepared and ready to do better and to be better. They have also agreed that the organization is in the process of renewal, and that should see, we should see it happening exactly in the constituencies.
Thank you so much. So are they going to continue with the current strategies of growth, or are they starting new projects?
Of course, each council or each administration, the first thing that they need to do is to develop their own integrated development plan, which then becomes a 5-year development plan for the municipality. But remember that should be in line with both the provincial growth and development strategy together with the National Development Plan. So what might then change is not really the end product, but it might be just the tactic on how best to fast-track the implementation of the National Development Plan, especially those that deal with local government specifically.
No, understandable. So what are the township plans in terms of attracting investors? Because mostly Siabola in Bali, there's not much investment happening. What are the plans to attract investors to Nepal?
Of course, the last administration yayise iqale uhlelo esilibiza ukuthi CBD regeneration. Masikhuluma nge-CBD is not just the Central Business District as yaziwa historically, but we in the main made reference ekutheni siyafuna ukuvuselela i-inner city as is traditionally known, but also kune-CBD yase-Rostock esifisa ukuthi sivuse ngendlela ukuthi kungabibikho isidingo abantu basema-northern areas to come to the city center unless kukhona isidingo. We also have a plan of the Edendale Town Center. Lapho sikhuluma not just of Edendale, but we are talking of the greater Edendale together with Edendale. If you remember, siqale ngalento esibiza ukuthi Greater Edendale Development Initiative. But ngaphezu kwalokho, we have realized ukuthi i-township economy is the way to go. So siqalile lokho ngokuthi one siqale i-rezoning eMbali, indawo ebiyaziwa kakhulu njengokuthi kuseyikona eMbali kuya eTembesi lapha ney'kolweni nemiso yonke leyo. We have decided ukuthi we will tap into ama-opportunities akhona amabili. The first one into yokuthi ingxenye le noma i-start celebration la kunomlando khona omkhulu. Khumbula ukuthi la eSlenge nje alone ikhaya likaBaba Moses Mabhida. Ngaphambi kwalapho la abathi khona kusesokha kune-peace monument lapho kuyinto nomlando omkhulu welokishi laseMbali. Of course siyazi ukuthi ibhuwani lisekho siyaphela, kodwa uma unyukela phezulu emathafeni kukhona into ekuthiwa isinomlando lakhona laba esasibabiza ngamadabula ngesikhathi somzabalazo abethasha khona uma bezophumela ngaphandle ekhaya labamphize lapho udlulele uLofonteni ikhaya likadisinomatiwani usukuledisinomatiwani uyaqhubeka uma uza lana eMbali alone kukhona i-Rose Acre lamlele khona amaqhawe ethu omzabalazo bonke kaMabhida uJohn Makhathini uyadlula lapho uya eManai. So I'm saying it's part of the economy that we say we want to tap into Edendale yonke ngoba it's part of the liberation. Kodwa kwesibili iMbali iyikhaya noma i-campus enye ye-DUT. I-DUT is one of our institutions ahamba phambili. Hayi nje ngasifundazweni KZN. Lana nje ba-specialize on their research and they have the best research department in terms of community. Ngakho uma sithi sifuna ukwenza into ye-student village lana, we want to tap into what we call the student economy. So i-rezoning process yaseMbali equally neyase-Scottsville says sifisa ukuthi siku-acknowledge ukuthi abantu abahlala lapho kulezo ndawo kakhulukazi abantu abasha iningi labo abalana ngokuzofunda they are here for 2, 3, 4 at least at maximum of 5 years. Sifisa ukuthi-ke labo bantu sibenze ukuthi bahlale uma beqeda ukufunda so that bezokwazi ukusirculate la ingakho for example last week besivula into esibiza nge-Imbali Youth Enterprise Park where khona senzela abantu abasha indlela yokuthi sibe ne-incubation hub la sizobafundisa khona ukusungula amabhizinisi, sibanikeze yonke indlela ye-support kuthi uma bephuma baphume baye endaweni engconywana, sikwazi ukuthi sifake abasha. Kodwa inhloso yento enkulu ukuthi why kufanele ukuthi umuntu wasengwane aye edrobheni yothenga utshwala nezambane uyothola ehamba edrobheni ukuyokwenza iy'nwele namalenzi engabe ukwenza khona nangakubo. Therefore umsebenzi esiwenzayo one ukwenza isiqiniseko ukuthi there is public reliable public transport, kusho ukuthi lokho kofaka ukuthi nemigwaqo yethu kube imigwaqo ethembekile, kanti ngaphezu kwalokho bese kuqinisa ezokuphepha kakhulu, ingabi bikho indawo ekuthiwa awukwazi ukuya kuyona ngenxa yokuthi akuphephile.
Iyezwakala ngempela because the young people esikhuluma ngabo they need ama-skills development hub, they need employment and so forth. What is the method that are you going to use in terms of monitoring and evaluating that system?
Siqale ngokuthi okokuqala amakhansela ethu wonke azongena siwasayinise i-performance agreement okuzokwenza ukuthi njalo emva kwey'nyanga ey'ntathu emva ukuthi babuye bezoakhawunta emntweni, kodwa kufuna babuye bezo-akhawunta nasephakathi. Okokuqala lokho, kodwa okwesibili bese senza isiqiniseko ukuthi e-ofisini lameya of course bese sisho ukuthi elalo meya okhona ukuthi namithelinamipheli elameya loyo umbutho ozobona umqondo kuyofa ukuthi kube khona indlela njengoba kwenzakala e-presidency kwenzeka e-ofisini la-premier kuyofa ukuthi nasefisini lameya ibe khona nyalo ye-planning evaluation and monitoring commission where khona kuzokwazeka ukuthi kubonakale. Of course ne-managers siziqashayo zonke sisanisa ama-performance agreement. Inhloso yalokho ukuthi wonke ama-plans esendlini akwazi ukuthi enze siyaqonda futhi siyazi ukuthi ebusuku zibaenzele kule term esiphele. Hence umbutho wesizwe waziwakhona qala ngokuthi kushintshe ubuholi bomphakathi. Uma uqeda ukushintsha ubuholi bomphakathi bese kuthi isiqiniseko sokuthi kwakhiwe i-turnaround strategy esenza ukuthi kuqashwe i-managers enjalo kulungiswe noma yini ekade abantu baxoshiwe, abantu basemajele kwenzakala yonke into ngenhloso yokuthi kukwazi ukuthi kube khona ushintsho emphakathini wasemsungisi ngoba abantu basemsungisi siyazi ukuthi badeserve okugcono.
All right. In terms of abandoned buildings and as umasipala, what is the plan for that?
Zonke okwenza umasipala siphezu kohlelo lokuthi sizi-audithe zonke okwenza umasipala. Siphezu kokuzi-auditha sibone ezisengasebenziseka, sikwazi ukuthi sizidedele ngendlela ezokwenza ukuthi kube cost effective, zibe available to umphakathi ukwazi ukuthi uzisebenzise whether for business, whether for residential noma yini. Khumbula ukuthi we are the capital city and the seat of the provincial legislature and the provincial government. Kusho ukuthi i-demand for accommodation ibakhulu uma kukhona-ke uma kunezokuhlala okwethu ukuzilungisa. But okwesibili i-term iphele nje nasiphezu kwey'nhlelo zokuthi sikwazi ukuhlangana ama-owners ezakhiwo ngoba ey'ningi uthola ukuthi zihlala abantu bangaphandle, they are left zi-dilapidated ngendlela yokuthi zenza kungabi kuhle ukuhamba emgwaqeni. Sifisa ukuthi sihlangane nohlobo sikwazi ukuthi sazi indlela bazivuselela kanjani bazenze zibe sesimweni sokuthi zihamba. Uma kungenjalo bese sisebenzisa amandla esinawo njengefinance ukuthi sizilungise
Yes, but then now the problem in town is foreign nationals. Are all foreign nationals in town documented on the
course ngokusebenza with both immigration unit yama-Home Affairs, with the crime intelligence and all other security agencies. Sihlala sihlale siyenze ukuthi sibambene, kodwa akusiyo i-competence yahulumeni yasekhaya. Kodwa through what we call a district development model, lakhona kuhlangana khona zonke izinto zikahulumeni. Sihlale sazi sona. Asiyazi bakhona abalapha ngoba ngempela befuna i-asylum because of various reasons. Ama-refugees bakhona beze lapho bezokwenza business. Kodwa siyazi ukuthi baningi futhi nabangene khona nje e-South Africa. It's unfortunate asikwazi ukwenza isibaqoshe nje. Have into sithi thina abantu abase-South Africa but of course now man push hence sibahambisa ngaso sonke isikhathi nawe as much as kungesiyo i-competence yamasipala noma kuyi-competence siyazi ukuthi bahanjiswa njalo njengoba kuza uChristmas manje baningi abazovela bazi ukuthi balapho ngekho emthethweni uzobabona sebebuya futhi ngoJanuwari bezogcwala futhi it's a pity bayacontribute ebonakale unfortunately but it's not a problem that is unique to the city of Joyce. It's a South African problem where they need maybe a policy shift one day. I don't know how and who will come up with it. That one
manje asikhulume ngogesi. Ugesi has thought of mhlawumbe kube khona an optional supply either the Eskom kube somehow independent so that the children abahlali bangase affected like they are.
Of course indaba kagesi is singayihlukanisa mhlawumbe. The first challenge is where we have a license as a supplier, especially your former town and surrounding areas. Thinking and thinking as a result of the organization, development they say in terms of economic survey, between 2.5% to 3%, and I always say it's more than depend on the census. It is a but the issue with the infrastructure capacity, abantu abayidlaza without looking forward to okwenza ukuthi uthole isi-overloaded kakhulu infrastructure. The plans are ahead. In fact, ukukhulisa i-capacity kuma-power stations. Siqalile ngalawa amabili ekuwona wona abizwa ukuthi ama-EV athola from Eskom to the city bese sikwazi ukusupply. We have also increased the capacity kuwona wonke ama-mini substations ethu. Wonke siletha umthamo from 11 kVA to 32 kVA okusho ukuthi lapho sesicabangela but of course okwamanje lapho umsebenzi wokukhulisa kwenza ukuthi sibheke. But two, the issue of capacity ihlukana the issue of capacity isimo somphakathi with COVID also contributing kwenza ukuthi kube nkulu kakhulu uma kuthiwa i-transformative endala mhlawumbe i-transformer eyafakwa ngo-1973 or 1975 ukuthola ama-parts ayo nje ama-spare parts is very with the also then becomes a progress. Kwenza ukuthi into that you can normally get in 2 months, you can do it in 4 months. Hence, it's capacity, improve also technology, sense of operation, so that's what but also in the cable theft and illegal connections. There was a period where we lost about 3 kilometers in a 300-meter area for 3 years. We show Ganjani lose today 300 meters, while they say the next 2 days to Tonto Manya again, Ganjano. When we lift up the security, this thing is a moving target because to us it looks like it's organized crime because they know exactly where to go, where to find cables. No problem, we believe it. Problem plus and it can only be resolved by maybe regulating where my step metal saves now open in the house by something. That's one thing that we need to deal with, not just as this municipality, as the government as a whole. But the other problem, the second one, that you have the ESCOM area of something, where ESCOM holds the license, you talk of money, you talk of you talk of money. That is an ESCOM area. And ESCOM has taken a very hard line that says, before we come and fix and transform, we check Kanawuti. People there buying electricity. Before we fix, we do a meter audit. If we find that our meters were bypassed anyway, then people must pay what they owe. And it's a very exorbitant amount for an old lady or people at a pension to be expected to pay 6,350. It's impossible. Hence we have started engaging this community. Can they not find a way of writing off this? But as they do that, to embark on a public education to say to our people, we know poverty. Humanity, there are means that the government can assist you in. There's a citizen indigent policy. Register on the indigent register so that you can receive services, so that you don't end up bypassing our meters and or even our responses. That creates problems for the community. At the end of the day, let's compromise this. But we are also looking at other alternatives. For example, at our landfill site, landfill site, we are commissioning a study that will say how best can we utilize the waste, turn that waste to energy so that at least, because the president has given us now and everybody else into which you may be able to apply for alternate means of the independent suppliers. Where possible, we are going to have, of course, through the perfect and open process where everybody has to be given the opportunity to compete, show us that they can be able to provide a sustainable energy, but not just sustainable, but cost-effective means, and then they can go into competition. At the end of the day, our intention is to make sure that all our people get our services cheaper and have a sustainable.
Lilo kunjani in terms of the generational of the people, as we know, obviously, I'm saying ukuthi abantu abakhula let's say a generational certificate, meaning ukuthi in a household there's only five kids and then they are growing up. Is there a plan for them to bakwazi sometimes they get overcrowded
Remember, we promised our people when we adopted the Freedom Charter, we said there shall be houses, there shall be security and food. Our intention is to make sure that everybody in the country at least has got dignity. And that dignity you can only get it through the urban sector. But equally, but maybe this is a discussion for the future budget. Do we really want to end up with a social welfare form of state? We always say we want to create a developmental state. A developmental state means a state that knows the economy. The economy that is able to be distributed equally amongst all the people in the country. Then there will be no need to complain about it. People will always find or sustain themselves so that abantu bezokwazi yonke into when we say